Hello everyone, this is Joy here. Today in this vlog I'd like to continue the topic how to edit with mobile only. Today I'd like to share the fastest way to transfer photos from Sony camera to your phone. Actually the other day I kind of tested the card reader, tested with a Canon camera and worked perfectly. I can transfer the photos and videos very fastly. But then I realized that it's impossible to detect video somehow from this camera. The video format of Sony camera is just not compatible. It's just not compatible. iPhone actually supports video format from this. They just didn't really update their card reader. So yeah, that's how it is. So in the end, because I really only edit my videos on mobile, so I have to find a solution. In the end, I got something like this. It's a lightning adapter for camera cable. So basically this is USB and it's lightning. So basically what you do is you have to set USB connection to MTP mode. So MTP mode and this settings to single. Here, power supply, you turn it off. And once it's set up, you can just use a USB cable, connect it with your we connect it with your camera, and here you got USB, and then you just do it like and connect this, and remember to turn off the power supply, USB power supply, otherwise it will be an error showing there's not enough power support for your device or something like that. So remember to turn it off. So yeah, so once it's connected, you can just simply select photos and import it in your phone. It's the same as the SD card reader. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.